Welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to make a rich chocolate oven cake with this mix. So I've already poured out 200 ml of water. Now I'm pouring down some vegetable oil. So we have poured down vegetable oil. Kind of looks like orange juice, but it's vegetable oil. Now we need to open this cake mix, which I'm doing. So it has this packet. Now we're opening it. Yes, so we're pouring this mix in. Kind of looks like salt, but it's the mix. Now we're pouring this much of water. Very less water, but so we're going to put this much of water in. Looking good. Now we need to use the vegetable oil that we are going to put. This vegetable oil. Now we need a spoon to stir this. So you guys, you can see this mixture. So now we are mixing. There is a lot of powder there. We just need some patience. Be patient, guys. We need to stir it until the bubbles are just disappeared. Looking smooth. Right, guys? Looks so smooth and chocolatey. But we need to stir till all of those bubbles come out. And disappear. I need those bubbles to disappear. Now it's done. It looks so rich and chocolatey, guys. So drippy and tasty looking. Now it's done. Now let's place butter paper on this bowl. This is the butter paper. So guys, this is the mixture that we made. Now we are putting that chocolate mixture in this. And if you don't know what we are doing, just a quick reminder, if you have...
After preheating the microwave, we'll now bake it in convection mode for 30 minutes.
कुछ ही सेकंड्स में ये केक हो जाएगा. 13 सेकंड्स बाकी है. देन वी विल चेक इन द मिडल कि केक अच्छे से हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ.
So now we'll take out the cake and then we'll check whether
this has come clean. So the cake is done.
So guys, our cake is ready.
Because the toothpick is clean here. I have checked it out. The toothpick is clean, so the cake is done.
So now we'll try it and let you know how it was.